Britain is braced for strong winds and flooding this weekend as Storm Alex barrels in from the south. The Met Office flashed a rare amber warning for severe weather as wind and rain brought down power lines and caused widespread flooding in southern England, all while Scotland enjoyed a fine day of autumn weather. The storm was named by French forecasters, and gusts of 115 miles per hour were recorded in Brittany, in the country's northwest, on Thursday night, matching England's Great Storm of 1987. A weekend washout is predicted for most of the UK, with treacherous driving conditions and flooding, particularly in coastal regions, as the vast weather system sweeps in. The Met Office warned the entire country could see almost 3 inches of rain over the weekend, with almost 5 inches possible on higher ground. A yellow rain warning is in place for the eastern half of Scotland, almost all of England and all of Wales until 6 p.m. tomorrow. The more serious amber warning, urging residents to be prepared, covers much of Aberdeenshire and Angus, as well as parts of Wales and southwest England. The Met Office says some homes and businesses are likely to be flooded with fast-flowing floodwater, creating a danger to life. 11 flood alerts have been issued by the Scottish Environment Protection Agency. Nicky Maxey of the Met Office said the origin of Storm Alex is unusual. Our prevailing weather tends to come from the west. By the time the rain approaches the east of the country, most of it will already have been deposited on the west. However, this weather system is coming at us from the east, which is most unusual. Close quote. Motoring organisations issued urgent warnings to drivers. RAC spokesman Rod Dennis said, "Heavy rain will make road conditions miserable, if not downright dangerous. Drivers need to be prepared for an ugly mix of surface spray, gusty winds and more than likely some disruption. Drivers should remember never to attempt to drive through water unless they know for sure it's shallow enough." Close quote. Organisers of the rescheduled London Marathon still planned for it to go ahead, but warned conditions could present extra challenges. The annual race was postponed from April 26 because of coronavirus, but will proceed in various forms, despite the forecast. Event director Hugh Brasher said, "Indomitable human spirit is what the marathon is all about." Close quote.